Welcome to Module 1, Introduction to Professional DJing. In the next few minutes, you'll see exactly how modern DJs make money, what kinds of gigs exist, and which path fits your goals. There are many lanes: mobile and wedding DJs who handle private events, club DJs building nightlife reputations, corporate and brand event DJs, and festival or radio DJs. Each lane can be profitable. What matters is choosing one to focus on first. Success isn't only about technical skills, it's about mindset. Serve the crowd, not your ego. Read the room, manage energy, and deliver moments people remember. That's how you build repeat bookings and referrals. There's a saying, a good DJ plays what the crowd wants to hear to make them rock. A great DJ adds stuff to it they didn't know they wanted to hear and still makes them rock. Creativity is law. Use it to be different, original to be you. Let's talk gear briefly. You don't need the most expensive setup to start. A controller and laptop with reliable DJ software can carry you through your first paid gigs. As you grow, you add speakers, microphones, lighting, and backup systems to increase your rates and professionalism. Here's how to use this course. First, get a pen and pad, watch each short lesson video, and take notes on the 3 big ideas. Second, complete the quick action steps after every module. These build your business one brick at a time. Third, pass the short quiz to unlock the next module. When you pass, you'll auto-advance so you keep momentum. Sidebar: start thinking of a timeless DJ name for yourself. Your actions for today. Choose the lane you'll pursue first: mobile, club, corporate, karaoke, or wedding. List the minimum gear you already have and what you still need. Create a simple weekly practice plan, 2 focused sessions, 60 minutes each. Ready? Let's set a clear direction, build your skills, and start booking your first paid gigs.